Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's PyLover136 here, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal. So it's about time that we started doing some of the collectathon things. So we started that with the last thing. We're gonna continue that this time. We're already on Aquados. So I say we continue to go through Aquados. Yeah, there's a whole extra spot there. So, and I don't know if there are any other skill points. Searching for sunken treasure, and then Tyrannosis. Okay, so sunken treasure is probably something else to do with the water portion of it. So we're just gonna run along, little doggy. Thankfully, everything should be relatively finished. Yeah, this is probably what we needed right here. Yep. Oh, we needed 20. Feel like there's a lot happening. Oh, Jesus. Feel like it's a little early to be having bits of frame skipping issues. That's okay. There are 4 stages, and I can't even get past this one. Jesus. I don't even know what I did differently. They're making me sweat for it this time. Ah! Too many of the shields and... many of the ones in general. What? No, it blew up. It blew up. It's not even there. I blew that up. Oh, that was on me. I couldn't get there quick enough. Come on. Really? Really? I felt the lag. But I didn't see that one, but I did feel the lag. Let's go. Talk about rough. Now, I wonder if this underwater searching for the underwater treasure has something to do with, like, there is one in the previous Ratchet and Clank game that was about the underwater crates, which I hope that's not it, because I hate those crates. It takes too long for those things to blow up. I should have looked these up right after the last stream. That is something that it could be. I'm not even going to sit here and lie. That's probably what it is. Or there's either that or there's a secret area down here. Two, 4, 7. Make sure we don't miss any, I guess. kind of don't want it to be that, because it means we're going to have to come back regardless. Alright, then way down we go. Alright, well there's the other titanium bolt. Alright, well, I didn't see anything else. You got a skill point. Well, at least they were nice enough to search for sunken treasure. At least they were nice enough to put it there. There's probably that you just had to break all the boxes in one visit. We're pretty much right there at the end of this anyways. When we come through here, we'll end up at Slim Cognito's. And back to the ship. Pretty sure that was everything here. Yep. No, we're still actually missing one. And we're still supposed to visit Slim Cognito's. Does he have something else for us? No? Alright then. Can I go into the other spot in Aquatos? So that's how I came in. Nope, I can't go back that way. Alright, well, guess we'll have to come back for that one too. So we're missing both of them here and on decks. What do we got? Alright, so I see that one over there, and then I see over there, off to our right, there is a slightly green spot. Oh! Right. Gotta jump over this. Alright, there's one. And he's gone. What's the skill point situation? Oop. Be a sharp shooter. Uh-huh. I feel like some of these are better looked up than just guessed on, but I'm guessing that one has something to do with the flux rifle. Alright then. Take out these big guys. About to be out of ammo though. And I don't have any way of getting back that way. And I gotta go back this way anyways, so I might as well just... There's 3 of them over there. Not even sure if it matters, because we're not taking them out. You got a skill point. Snipe 10 Tyrannoids in the towers. Nice. Sorry, I'm not gonna switch off this weapon just yet. Figure I might as well use it. They don't seem to be wanting to give me the... Ah, yeah, I remember this spot. And there's my other bolt. I'm fine taking a dive. Yeah, because it's just gonna put me back here, and that's everything from here. Right? think so. Going over there. I don't want to go over there. Then there's Dex. So there's one secret spot all the way over there. And I don't see any other secret spot. Let's just go ahead and go this. Pretty much. Okay, so it takes us to the end of the level. You'll have to excuse me. I didn't feel it was coming until it was too late, so I don't want to be here then. What are the skill points? Got 10 out of 13, or 30. Bugs to birds. Something tells me we can't actually get that one. Because I know we're still missing a weapon here. Oh, what's that? We can get that one pretty easily. Bugs to birds. Probably these guys right here if I had to guess. However, if it's what I think it is, we can't do it yet. I mean, I can't prove that, but I'd have no way of... I got nothing if, in fact, that is... Oh. Alright, well there's a statue. Is that Quark or couldn't tell? The plumber. Alright, well. Oh. Well, that was rude. Alright, so we go that way and it leads over there. I bet the bolt is over there. I bet the bolt is over there. We'll see if we can't get over that way. I mean, the map says yellow, so I've been there before, is what it says, but I don't know about that. Okay, well, that ate me immediately. I don't remember going that way. Cut it real quick, but I might not be able to. I'll try that shortcut one last time. Nah, it's not gonna let me do that one. I feel like it should. I mean, I'm getting real close to it, but it's not gonna let me, so it's not worth the trouble. I'm trying to think, when would I have made it over there? Alright, that's a box sticking out of the wall over there. Just a slight problem. Yeah, I definitely don't remember going that direction. But it looks like... well, it looks like I can probably get there from the end of the level. Ironically enough. We'll find out. We don't have to worry about a whole lot of death right now, so... oh yeah? So they make you go back to your ship. Because if I go over here with this, it'll take me right back to the end. Ugh. Yeah, it said that I had been over here, but I didn't believe it. Gotta take the damn ship back. I missed it. Okay, I'm struggling. I forgot they took out the ability to... okay, so it's not just my my visuals. That is... Yeah, this is being a bit of a pain, and There we go. Alright, oh, they're gonna give me this. Perfect. Alright. And there's still one more, and we can see it on the map where the secret area is. Yeah, you don't get as much XP going through the levels again.
JX34 on his promotion to Killbot First Class.
So we're gonna be shooting enemies, but we're not gonna be.
Multiplies all bolts and experience gained for a limited time.
Says as we are more or less kind of stuck in here. Why was there a jackpot crate? Why am I blind? Why is the jackpot crate here on this level? I was about to say the bomb didn't go anywhere. Is there a reason I didn't go this direction? Yeah, because the door didn't open. Okay. So why didn't the door open? Okay. I don't think I can make that as a jump. Alright, so if I can't do that...
All organic life forms report to Sector 8 for immediate execution. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay. Can I... Nope, can't get the camera back there. Okay. Nothing else is breaking. Guess we'll look around a bit. See if there's something to do with the area going forward. Maybe there's something I missed in here. So how am I supposed to get that door open? Yeah, I didn't see anything. office computer network for online gaming is strictly prohibited.
Huh. Okay. Well, I got nothing. I am obviously missing something. But I don't know what it is. Well, if I don't know what it is, I can't really do anything about it. Maybe it's another weapon that can blow that up. Alright, well, we did a good little bit of collection this time. I say we get back to the main stuff.